David Lobo of Deejay Coconut Breeding Farms. Organic fertilizers. The talk today is organic produce. Can we use organic fertilizers for coconut trees? The answer is yes. For the traditional talls, whose requirement of nutrition isn't very high, you can certainly do that. And if you are doing that, add more compost. That's organic and that should help you get good yields. For the hybrid, my answer is be careful. The hybrid's requirement of nutrition is much higher. Like any hybrid, normal organic nutrition may not be adequate, depending on the yields it can give. And the new hybrid coconut trees are yielding very much higher, 3-4 times more than the traditional tall. Organic nutrition is available. It's a little more costly. If you can give it in adequate quantities, you may not lose too much of your yields. However, do consider whether you are getting adequate prices for your organic coconuts. If you are not, it may not be worth the while. On the other hand, if your focus is on food production, I do not recommend you look organically at your project, but using regular fertilizers that will give you maximum production. Yes, organic fertilizers can be used, but it's more difficult to get the full crop from the hybrid.